Hello, I'm Jake, Sales Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the model CMS300 carbon monoxide transmitter and switch. Dwyer's customizable and reliable CMS300 can be utilized to monitor carbon monoxide concentration in applications such as underground parking garages, vehicle maintenance facilities, and mechanical rooms. The CMS300 can be easily customized depending on the type of alarm needed for a scenario. In addition to the field selectable current or voltage output, an integral SPDT relay can be used for alarm conditions and is jumper selectable to 25, 60, or 150 ppm. This implementation of a relay and transmitter allows for the device to alarm the building management system while providing a relay that can be paired with local alarms, such as visual lights or audible buzzers. This carbon monoxide transmitter offers a measurement range of 0 to 300 ppm. It is housed in a UV-resistant, glass-filled polycarbonate enclosure rated up to IP54, which also features multiple knockouts to give flexibility to the installer to determine the best location for conduit entry. Field calibration can be completed using calibration gas and calibration adapter accessories in combination with the onboard zero and span potentiometers. In the event of the sensor needing to be replaced, Dwyer offers a field replaceable sensor, minimizing costs. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.